It's a pretty incredible project that I think every student should have the opportunity to do.
Switch Lab's platform is an open chassis so that the components are easily accessible to students when you're working on this project and introducing them to an EV.
Switch vehicles are designed to be built, tested, and driven, and then disassembled for the next class to use, every semester and year after year, and comes with all the courseware you need to run a 17-week class, an 8-week after-school club project, or a 2-week summer workshop. Switch is in over 200 schools in the U.S. and Canada. Contact us to bring it to your school.